Samsung is quietly preparing a machine that could completely redefine what mobile productivity looks like. And according to growing leaks from IMEI databases and supply chain insiders, the company may finally be ready to challenge the very idea of a traditional laptop. Enter the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, a premium powerhouse rumored to push the boundaries of what a tablet can achieve. Forget everything you know about ordinary tablets, because what Samsung appears to be building is no longer just a device for streaming videos, browsing the web, or casual multitasking. Instead, it looks like a titanium-clad, AA-powered productivity monster designed to compete directly with premium laptops and challenge the dominance of Apple's high-end ecosystem. If you are a creator, a professional multitasker, or simply someone who wants the absolute best mobile experience possible, this upcoming device deserves your full attention before making your next major tech purchase. Right from the start, Samsung seems focused on delivering a completely different premium experience, beginning with the physical design and materials. For years, flagship tablets followed the same repetitive formula with thinner bezels, slimmer bodies, and familiar aluminum construction. But this time, Samsung appears ready to raise the bar by introducing Grade 5 titanium into the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra's chassis. Anyone who has held a modern titanium flagship smartphone already understands the appeal. Titanium feels cool to the touch, incredibly premium, and significantly stronger than conventional aluminum. Bringing that same material to a gigantic 14.6-inch productivity device could dramatically change the way users experience large-screen tablets. The additional structural rigidity would reduce bending or flex across such a large surface, while keeping the device remarkably thin and lightweight, creating a product that feels both durable and elegant in everyday use. The front display may represent one of the biggest visual upgrades in Samsung's tablet history. For years, users complained about camera notches interrupting the immersive experience, especially on premium entertainment and work-focused devices. Samsung reportedly listened closely to that feedback, engineering the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra with a second-generation under-display camera system. If the rumors prove accurate, the dual front-facing camera setup will disappear entirely beneath the display, removing the distraction of a visible notch. The result would be an uninterrupted viewing experience across the enormous 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED panel. With an expected 3K resolution and an ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, this display could become one of the most visually stunning screens ever placed on a tablet. Samsung is also rumored to include advanced anti-reflective technology, reducing glare dramatically and making outdoor productivity much easier, even in bright sunlight where many premium displays struggle. Of course, premium hardware means very little without exceptional performance powering everything behind the scenes, and this is where things begin to get extremely interesting. Reports suggest Samsung could shift away from its traditional processor strategy in favor of something more specialized and performance-focused. Industry speculation points toward either a custom version of Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite chip or MediaTek's most powerful flagship silicon. Regardless of which direction Samsung ultimately takes, the primary focus appears crystal clear: maximizing local AI performance, raw computing power, and advanced multitasking capabilities. Rumors indicate memory configurations reaching an astonishing 24 GB of high-speed RAM alongside up to 2 TB of internal storage. That kind of hardware places the Tab S12 Ultra closer to professional laptops than traditional tablets, offering enough performance headroom to run demanding creative software, intensive workflows, and large file projects simultaneously without slowing down. But raw hardware alone is not enough to replace a laptop. The true magic lies in how software uses that power, and Samsung may have a major answer through something reportedly called Neural Deck. Unlike a standard Android software update, Neural Deck is rumored to be a complete redesign of Samsung's desktop experience, powered heavily by on-device artificial intelligence. Mobile operating systems have traditionally struggled to match the freedom and flexibility of desktop environments, especially when it comes to file management, professional multitasking, and serious productivity applications. Neural Deck could finally close that gap. The system reportedly uses AI to learn your workflow habits, intelligently allocate processing resources, and dynamically adapt the interface depending on what task you are performing. Imagine editing a demanding 4K video timeline while running spreadsheets, research tabs, and live video meetings simultaneously without performance bottlenecks. Intelligent window snapping, enhanced file access, and background task optimization could make this feel far more like a true computer than a tablet. For artists, students, and designers, the S Pen ecosystem remains one of Samsung's biggest strengths, and the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra appears ready to elevate that experience significantly. Reports suggest support for the new S Pen Pro 3, introducing advanced tactile haptic feedback that mimics the feel of traditional artistic tools. Rather than feeling like plastic sliding awkwardly across glass, subtle vibrations could simulate the texture of paper, canvas, or ink surfaces. This might finally solve one of the biggest complaints digital artists have voiced for years. Combined with ultra-low latency and enhanced Bluetooth controls, the S Pen experience could become one of the strongest reasons for professionals to choose Samsung over competing ecosystems. Battery life is another area where Samsung appears unwilling to compromise. Running a giant high-resolution display, powerful chipset, and AI-driven features requires serious endurance, and leaks suggest a battery potentially reaching 12,500 mAh. However, the real innovation may not simply be battery size, but intelligent power management. Adaptive processing could lower energy consumption during lighter tasks while preserving maximum performance when needed, potentially allowing professionals to work through an entire day without worrying about finding a charger. Fast charging improvements are also expected, reducing downtime significantly. Finally, Samsung appears heavily focused on long-term value. Reports suggest up to 7 years of Android updates and security support, ensuring the device remains modern and secure for years to come. Combined with premium quad speakers, expandable microSD storage, IP68 durability, and next-generation software enhancements, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra could represent one of Samsung's boldest attempts yet to erase the line between tablet and professional computer. The countdown is already underway, and if even half of these leaks become reality, the future of mobile computing may look very different sooner than anyone expected.